Opposition MPs are reportedly working towards getting a notice moved in the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha against Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav. Nearly 40 MPs from across parties including the Congress, All India Trinamool Congress, CPIM, CPI, RJD, Aam Aadmi Party and Samajwadi Party have already signed a petition in this regard in the upper house. So, who is Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav at the centre of an impeachment move in the Parliament? News9 Plus Decodes. Justice Yadav graduated in law from Allahabad University in 1988 and enrolled as an advocate in the 1990s. He practiced in Allahabad High Court on civil and constitutional side and also served as an additional government advocate and standing counsel for Uttar Pradesh government. Now, Justice Yadav was working as an additional chief standing counsel before taking oath as an additional judge on 12th of December 2019 and a permanent judge on 26th of March 2021. On 8th of December 2024, Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav delivered a lecture on the constitutional necessity of Uniform Civil Code at an event organized by Vishwa Hindu Parishad or VHP in Prayagraj, in which he said that the country would function according to the wishes of majority in India. He also reportedly said that the Uniform Civil Code was coming while referring to how women were revered in one community while subject to polygamy and triple talaq in another. As expected, Yadav's lecture upset a majority of parliamentarians and sparked instantaneous outrage. How did the opposition MPs react to Justice Yadav's lecture? Well, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi said that judge's action violated constitutional norms. This speech indicts the collegium system and raises questions on judicial impartiality. How can a minority party expect justice before someone who participate in VHP's program? Owaisi asked in a social media quote. I have signed a notice seeking removal proceedings against Shekhar Yadav, judge of Allahabad High Court. The process was initiated by Ruhullah Mehendi. The judge's behavior violates constitutional norms, including Supreme Court's reinstatement of values of judicial life. The notice requires signature of 100 Lok Sabha members to be considered by the Speaker, Owaisi posted on X. The reinstatement of values of judicial life is a code of conduct adopted by the Supreme Court in 1997. Not just him, senior CPM leader Brinda Karat also wrote to Chief Justice of India expressing deep concerns over the judge's speech. How did the judiciary and the Supreme Court react? Well, the Supreme Court has sought details from Allahabad High Court following media reports about a speech delivered by Justice Yadav at the VHP event. The apex court's move comes amid concerns that the speech deemed controversial may have violated judicial ethics. Prashant Bhushan also criticized Justice Yadav. The Campaign for Judicial Accountability and Reforms CJAR, led by Advocate Prashant Bhushan, wrote to Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna demanding an inquiry into Justice Yadav's conduct. Now, CJAR alleges that his participation in a VHP event and his remarks went against judicial impartiality and violated constitutional principles of secularism. In the letter, Bhushan quoted other controversial statements by Justice Yadav. These include references to the cow, the Ganga and the Gita as symbols of Indian culture. These statements, CJAR argues, were divisive and eroded public trust in judiciary. They also allegedly contravened the reinstatement of values of judicial life.